You probably already know that making contributions into your superannuation can be an effective way to minimise your tax before June 30. But how much should you put in? Here are the 3 steps. Step 1 is to work out the maximum amount that you could put into superannuation. If your balance is above $500,000, then you're limited to the yearly concessional contribution cap, which is currently $30,000 per year. If your balance is below $500,000, you could utilise carry forward contributions. On the screen now is the area in the ATO portal where you can look and see how much carry forward contribution cap space you have available. Step 2. Just because you have contribution cap space available doesn't necessarily mean that you should put that amount of money into superannuation. For instance, if your contribution was going to put you below $45,000 taxable income, there's really no point putting that contribution amount in, because up until $45,000, the marginal tax rates are either 0 for the first $20,000 or only 16% from $20,000 to $45,000, which is no better really than the superannuation tax rate of 15%, and you'd be using up concessional contribution cap space that may be better used as carry forward contributions in future financial years when you're on a higher tax rate. Step 3. Determine if the contributions fit your wider financial planning strategy, because remember, the money you put into super is generally locked away until age 60. So contributions into super are generally good for people who are on top of their mortgage, have a monthly surplus cash flow, have money in the bank account, and don't have any immediate goals that require much capital. If you want to make contributions but you're still a little bit unsure of how much to do, one common strategy is to utilize your use it or lose it allowance for your carry forward contributions. So remember, they're for people with balances below $500,000 as per 30 June of the previous financial year. The use it or lose it amount is the amount of contribution cap space you have for this current 25-26 financial year, plus the last financial year that's about to drop off, which in the rolling 5-year period is the 2020-2021 financial year. And if you're still unsure how much contributions to make, then feel free to book in an obligation-free chat.